If you're having issues with your grinder right now, let's say, if you're grind 20 gram, or 18 gram, doesn't matter. Usually, before usually takes 20 seconds, let's say, 18 to 20 seconds. Now it takes like 25, 30 seconds to grind it. It's time to replace your upper burr, okay? What I done was I took out so this is the old one, okay? Old one from Breville Espresso Pro, and I put the new one in here. So let me show you what that look like. Okay. Comes to upper burr replacement is so easy. Just simply lift it, counterclockwise to unnotch it, clockwise to put the new one on. So easy there. So here's what we're gonna do. I got already dialed in, not dialed in, I already dosed out 18.2 gram here. 18.2 gram, so let's put it in here. Okay. So I set at 19 seconds, okay? And my grinder setting at number 16, okay? The inner burr is set at number 6. So okay, so pretty much I'm done. Okay, hold on. I'm just gonna quick for, yeah, it's so pretty much 19 seconds there. Okay, so that's about 17.8 gram. That's fine because it does retain some beams. Again, so before it took me 2 cycles. So now took me about 19 seconds. So the problem was the upper burr. Okay, I never thought about replacing it because I thought 2 years still new. But I guess my recommendation for you guys is if you're having issues with your grinder is not fine enough, okay? If your grinder has issues, you could adjust the burst ring setting. If it doesn't work, if it takes too long, okay? I'm talking about takes too long to ground 18 gram. Time to replace your upper burr, okay?